this is pretty much where we're at today. Looks like down to these few parts, I've got the other stepper motor mount, of course the ball screw, and 4 bushings on those 2 slides right there for the Z-axis. So I've got the X and the Y motor and the ball screws all mounted, and they're working good. So we're just down to really I'll put the Z-axis on in the morning early when it's cooler. It's about 110 degrees here right now, so and the shop's even hotter because it's a metal building. So I'm going to get out of here today, but that's where I'm at with it. So stay tuned. We'll have it up and running here shortly.